morning, everybody, and welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. So I need to figure out my computer stuff because it's telling me that we're almost full. And my computer, if you don't know, is a 2015, so it's gonna be 7 this year. Insane. I'm gonna put you guys in a tripod 1 second. It's a 2017 or 2015, so it's gonna be 7, which is insane. Maybe we should put you here so you have better lighting. But today I was trying to upload me getting ready, and it just would not go into my computer through AirDrop. So we deleted that video. It's gone, completely gone from the phone. Deleted it, recently deleted it, all of it gone. So today I have a few things I want to do. It's 12 o'clock, so we're on to a better start than yesterday. So the things I'm doing today is, I did bring this up for lunch today, but I think I'm going to save it for tomorrow because we have leftover potatoes in the fridge that I'm craving with an egg. So I think I'm going to do that for lunch. And then a hot chocolate because the girls got the best hot chocolate around. Anyway, but we're making my Christmas mix today and some banana bread. So I'm super excited and I can't wait. So also my makeup look today is inspired by sugar cookies. I don't know. I think it looks sugar cookie for some reason. Maybe more like snickerdoodle. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to be showing you my Christmas mix. I'll leave the recipe down below and my banana bread recipe down below so you can look at that. But I think we're gonna start with banana bread and then I'll show you little clips of that. And then I'm actually gonna end this video today properly. But I have a couple of videos I wanna film today. So I'm filming this one. And then I'm gonna be filming a Minecraft one for our 12 days, which is super exciting. And then I'll be filming I had one more. What am I filming? Oh, a gift idea. So I'm gonna be doing that. So yeah, so let's get into this video. Here's the mix, and then our banana bread is almost ready to come out. I'm gonna give it a bit until my oven, I have to lower the oven temperature to 250. So while I wait for that to happen, we're just gonna let the banana bread cook a bit longer. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I'm just editing right now my Vlogmas video for today, and I'm editing for tomorrow and Thursday's videos. They're gonna be Minecraft related. I'm thinking I'm going to be doing a rebrand kind of thing for my YouTube channel when it comes to the new year. I think I'm gonna be switching over to more gaming style, so like Minecraft, Fortnite, House Flipper, Sims. I'm just gonna be redoing my YouTube and seeing what I'm into, because right now I'm not really big on the vlogs at the moment, as you can probably tell. I'm also breaking out really bad on my chin. Just ignore it. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.